It's a shame for Justice Inyang to agree with the tribunal on the verdict of the INEC result. My country people, this is not the country. Nigeria, in fact, they don't buy and they don't sell it, they don't package and give some certain people. The coven where they call court constantly talk, say the ruling by the appeal courts that a candidate do not need to get at least 25% of votes in the Federal Capital Territory to be declared as a country's president. What a waste of time. The Supreme Court dismisses article's plea to fresh evidence from CSU against TINubu. The Supreme Court has dismissed the application by Atiku Abubakar, the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), to admit fresh evidence in his appeal against President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Atiku plea was dismissed for lack of jurisdiction. The apex courts described Atiku petition as a friendly joke. Hey, I don't understand. As a friendly joke, insisting that it could not be granted. According to the apex courts, the case was filed out of time and couldn't prove cause of forgery. Recall that Atiku had sought to present fresh evidence of forgery against TINubu. He pleaded with the apex court to look into the matter because of its constitutional and democratic implications. My country people, the fresh evidence Atiku sought to tender was the academic records of TINubu, which were handed over to him by Chicago State University on October 2nd. The former vice president had informed the courts that the fresh evidence was crucial to his appeal, adding that it has inherent jurisdiction to entertain and decide on the application. However, the Supreme Court said it has no jurisdiction to entertain the fresh evidence as the time limit allowed by the Constitution has elapsed.
Of the petition, the implication is that all evidence ought to be adduced at the trial court and judgment delivered within 180 days. That it was not the intention of the draftsman of the Constitution to allow and permit the receipt of evidence in an election matter when the court vested with the powers to receive evidence, has lost jurisdiction over the matter. He wondered what would happen now that all parties have filed and exchanged briefs with no arguments canvassed in respect of the additional evidence sought to be adduced in the instant appeal, there being no room to extend time under the pre-election and election appeals practice directions 2023 of the Supreme Court. He urged the court to dismiss the application. In his contribution in opposition to the grant of this application, learned senior counsel for the second respondent, Chief Olanipekun S.A., submitted that this court is without the virus to consider the said deposition either as oral or documentary evidence, more so when the evidence was not considered by the court of first instance within the 180 days time frame provided by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, relying on the recent case of Towo, Womo, and Ajayi, unreported, delivered on the 27th of January 2023 in this court.
It is crystal clear. Say Bola Ahmed Tinubu don't buy Nigeria. He buy him. He pay in full. He pay me. Say law not dey Nigeria. Now this kind of case, now lawyers say they chop, say they build mansion for Bodo Ibo because this kind of case, not they finish. As the judge in Okoro finally talk, give it judgment to now the rest, so it be say they pack follow body, see join now. You know why? They know what made they die. They know what made person can kidnap them, say me they can pay $100 million. Una see I'm say security not in Nigeria. It not be like Bodo Ibo, we be say Food chest, lawyer go come and talk with you, one talk, nothing go happen. In fact, we'll go end ourselves for court. But these people, they get family, not be just only them. They get wife, they get children, they get papa, they get mama, they get brother, they get sister. So they think a lot of things before they give verdict or bid to the highest bidder. So if now look all this old thing, it they very, very, very delicate. Not be as we they see them. If na country will be say that they receive big money, that they okay, they get security with them, they fit give the right judgment. But as it be like they don't fit. It tight on their hand. They don't fit. It takes the grace of God to take overcome person like Jagaban. However, that one not give them the rights, make they take fool a whole nation. So when the music starts, they go ready to dance puto, because that is the money on way giving your judgment when they say don't confide to wish now. Now not so that the whole country now is for that one. So this one they don't damn too. So when the music go begin, they play. Make they ready to dance put, because by that time Nigeria go remember them the scene where they seen where be say they give the wrong judgment. Now make we move the table around, make it be say na Bola Ahmed TINubu na be Atiku and Atiku na dey there. Wait till na think say the judgment for be Jagaban go do everything make Atiku take come down. So it's for the highest bidder, my country. Waiting they want make we citizens, civilians, they do. Make we all quiet, make we not talk. Maybe they are not talk. Anything where they do, make all they look them, make we all they look like mumu. Then they say make we be. So your opinion, my opinion not matter again for anything where they talk. Waiting they want make it be, now go be. Now the country will be say we land, we will say ourselves. Now only God now go command this evil hand, come on for this country. Because this one where they look so, this is not democracy. Una say look and say the ECOWAS, not the year about them again. We know the year say TINubu travel again. They go the Tafia. Una know why? Because those ones don't go check record. They don't see and say true. TINubu forged the certificate. True. They don't go into the FBI report. Oh, they don't see and say true. This man, hey, now dreaded person. So everybody stay clear. So how come we know hear about the United Nations? We know hear about this country. Talk say they don't go check am enough for Joe. Everywhere mute. Am I here? We know hear from them. So all of a sudden, na Jagaban and the Nigerian judges now can carry all these things all along. They play us, they give us different dates. They use us, they play football. You pass, give me, I pass, give you, you take, I take. Now so the next thing, now they all give verdict overnight. Say, hey, I felt talking before. He that starts the music should be ready to dance first. You beat person, you say make the person not cry. Is it possible? No, it's not possible. It's not possible. Nigeria did not vote for Bola Ahmed TINubu. He entered there because it was his turn and he took him. He used the food chest, he took him. So why the democracy? Why we not just continue with the life we were before the colonial master come amalgamate everybody together? Because this is not working. This is not a system that is working for anybody. They work. So the best thing, make everybody work on. But at the same time, they look and say, oh, peace. We don't want military. Military rule is the wars. We can't go back to where we are coming from. Now, where we are, now, is it better than where we are coming from? That's the question. What is the difference between this democracy and the military we used to know? There is no difference, my country people. In all day, Nigerians should think about something before our own children and the next generation carry the same body where they carry along. We should not wait. I don't know how it's going to happen, but I believe one day it's going to be. I mean, they talk Bod TV board. My country people, Mona share this video. There will be revolution one day. I believe in that dream Nigeria.